Yeah. Welcome back, guys. It's Saturday. It's pretty early this morning. 6:33. Well, I only gotta wake up early. But yeah, so today we got planned to go to a little car meet out in shit. Where the fuck is the car meet? Fuck. It's too early. But I know it's somewhere out like towards Segundo or Redondo. I don't know. But yeah, we're about to meet up with the homies real quick. Well, I gotta wait for my car to fucking warm up, but after this, I'm gonna go stop to get some gas. And then after that, we're gonna go meet up with Eric. I'm gonna pick him up. And then Marcos and Jaja are gonna be meeting us there. Adrian has work, sadly. You know, my boy's at the Hale, gotta, get that money. So, but we definitely gonna be missing Adrian. And then we Josh as well, he's at the Hale. But shout out my boy Josh, had a good time at Disneyland. But he had a good time out there with his mom, family. So I'm very glad that he was able to do that. But yeah, I'll probably pick this back up when either I'm at the gas station or pick up Eric. But yeah, it's early. Let's get that work in. Yes, sir. Made it to the gas station. Boo boo. That shit's slow. Bad. See how much shit fills up with. After this, we're about to go pick up Eric and then meet up with Marcos and Jaja. So I'll cut it through when we get there. Right here we are, yeah. We just made it to a little meet. Park. Over there.
Show homeboy socks. Show he's down.
The higher the socks, the downer the.
Hey, that fool more down than me, dog. This thing is dope. This shit is sick. We got the car seat in there, ready to gap y'all. This shit is sick. Right here, E92 right here too. Damn!
Once I hear pa 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 pa.
Working OT, bro?
Monday through Friday and a Saturday.
Right here with Josh. Washing his car. How's your day, Josh? Let us know something, bro.
They pull up to my pad to help me out to wash my car, bro.
Eric working OT.
Oh, 3.
We just made it.
Bro, it's crazy out here, bro. It's packed.
Not me. Should we go over there? What you guys think?
I don't know anything about this.
Hey, it sounds like my farts, bro.
For real, no
I'm
cap.
playing. Hey, that purple was crazy. Oh, damn. What do you think so far?
This is pretty sick meat. The other place got canceled.
Literally showed up and
Short video was closed.
closed. And Porskies. Oh, of course. Give us an update, bro.
We're right here. Where we at? Marina Docks. The Marina Docks, real quick.
What'd you think about the car meet?
That shit hurt my ears. I'm about to go deaf after that shit. Looks like it sounded like a war zone, okay?
It did, bro.
Sound
It
like
did.
straight up. It sound like we're like at a shooting range.
What do you give it out of a 10?
No cap. Eric was talking about like if we were at the original location, it would have been as lit, and I was like, yeah, low key. I don't. If it wasn't at this location, it wouldn't have been as lit.
Nah, I feel it.
So the other location, the first location, there would have never been enough space to do all that shit.
Nah.
First location was kind of boofed though. It was not boofed, but that shit would have been way more packed than.
Yeah, we wouldn't be able to.
No, we would have saw no cars at least leave because we would have probably been. In the
Yeah, we would have
middle
been
of
all
the
at the top and just nah.
Off that, huh?
And they always have the meets at the same location.
Good, Josh? They do.
Kept the gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend.